second. Today we're playing thumbs up, party likes, thumbs up, club, Roblox. And let's just start getting in. No, we can't start getting into it. You know why? Because we have a special guest. And try to guess who it is. I bet you can't. Try to guess who the special guest is. It's a she. It's a she. She loves to play Roblox, and she was in one of my other videos. Guess who it is? It is...
It's here. It's on the game. Where are you?
It is... Okay, the special guest is Kate, and we are playing... Kate, what are we playing today? Yeah, Roblox. We're just playing Roblox. Nobody knows what Roblox is. Alright. I'm sorry, but I'm just cheating on this. Like, seriously, like, who doesn't like to cheat? It's me. Yes! I nailed it, and I made it there, yeah. I nailed it at that point. Oh, just kidding. I did not nail it. By the way, I'm just gonna do the chorus, like, this is an obby. This is like an obby. If you haven't played an obby, please try it. If you are in Roblox, you have to try it. If your parents do not have the money to do it, that's fine. Just try to start over and just maybe when you have your own money, you can just maybe get it. Okay, so finishing line. Okay, that is so well. Alright, that's well done. Alright. What? Alright, I'm still in the gym working out here. I'm still doing laps in the gym, doing like an obby course or something. If you don't know what an obby is, it's like an obstacle course, but in Roblox, which is really cool. So I hope you can try that out if you are in Roblox. And you probably have tried it out if you are in Roblox right now, right? So, bam, did I do it? Oh, wait. It's another class, I think. Alright. Let me see what class it is. Does this girl speak Spanish? Wait. What the? Does this girl speak that? I think. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. What did that guy. Wait. What did that guy just say? Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? He said, where do you want to go? If he ever watches this video, I want to go in the vent. Possibly you could go in the vent, maybe? No. Nobody wants to go in the vent. Are you serious? Like, nobody's in the vent. Okay, what the? Whoa. Guys, you may want to hide in science if you go to science. It might be very dangerous. People might kick you around. It's very bad. It's very bad. It's very bad. It's very bad. Alright, so Oh no, it's lunchtime. Alright, it's lunchtime. Woo! Alright, I know I said nah for lunchtime, but I think that I was I was really upset. Wait, no, lunch is for money. Lunch is for money, guys. Do not do lunchtime. We are? Where's the donuts? Where? Oh, behind the door. Oh, it's behind the scenes. Woo! We're making donuts today for the children. Making donuts today for the children. Alright, let's. Wait, but we're teenagers. We're supposed to be in high school. We're not supposed to be delivering the food to the high schoolers. Are you serious? Like, where's my bunny? I lost my bunny. Right, where's your donut? Oh my gosh! Hey, you just eaten it. Okay, let me press it. E. All right, let's turn this big. Okay. All right, so let's watch it press, guys. All right, so it looks like it got pressed. It got pressed. Wow. All right, I never saw one of these kinds of machines before, but they're pretty awesome. All right, let's see. I could no. I'm gonna ignore that because I really want my donuts. I'm gonna be able to get my donuts. Wait, it is. Let me pick it up. Let me pick it up. All right, so that donut is ready. All right, let me get out, people. Let's get out. All right. Yes, this is my lunch. Woo! I've gotten my lunch today. Guys, we are getting donuts today for lunch. Awesome. So healthy. Okay. It's so healthy, right? Right? Isn't like the donut so healthy? Just like so healthy? No, a donut. Like I'm still in the lunchroom for some reason. No. Hey, you just passed me. Hey! Look! All right, so yeah, I did. Wait, I'm gonna teleport home and I'm gonna let's go to home. Alright, teleport to me. She's gonna teleport to me while I'm teleporting to my house. So let's go. Okay, so what am I doing? Alright, so Pinky. She's sleeping. Oh, she's sleeping. Oh, she's sleeping. Alright. Yeah, that was your original outfit. I'm like, right, this is my house. I'm just going with a modern little thing. Yeah, bring out Lulu. How do you bring out different pets? Oh, phone, backpack. Alright. Food, toys, pet items. Ooh, any pets? I have two pets. You guys, I think I'm gonna go ahead and buy a pet now. I feel like that I just feel like my question is to you guys is how many pets do you have? Do you even go in this game to play, right? Right? Know what I mean? Like, do you even go? in this game? Is there like something that's what I mean? Like, I teleported into town to get a pet. I think complicated story. Well, not really very complicated, but just oh yeah, there's a unicorn, you guys. I have to buy this. Wait, it's yup, and Roblox. What? Yes, I know. I know. I know. I know. Also, yes, I do have a character, and I think you may have watched one of my other videos, and I mentioned that I had a profile at my mom's house. Oh my god! So isn't that yes, sure, let's stop the video. Okay, bye guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, and maybe hit the bell. Okay, bye.